Alright, take one. Flapper. When somebody's snack gets stuck, I know. Cute, title screen. Lenses. I also feel like I'm very, my Italian comes out.
No, you're really not moving your arm.
Oh, I'm trying not to.
Fart.
No, I haven't. I forgot. Ah! It's like taking orange chicken and just throwing it on top of some spaghetti with marinara. I felt like I really had it going with that one. For social distancing. Shouldn't be able to smell each other's feet. Sponsored by Pledge. I've gotten through this whole thing without swearing yet. I'm proud of myself. I think I had a couple of but that's about it.
You did.
Does that count? Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Today we're here to do photography layouts with our iPhones. And that awkward pause in the middle, but I tried to just sit still so you can just there. Okay, I'm good. I got it. I'm good. It's fine.
Ruby?
Today we're going to talk about, photography. Please, Clorox, sponsor us. I felt like that was going well.
That's the thing.
Snacks, yes. Boho Coffee House. Okay. We both scored toilet paper today. Edit them on the computer. Where else are you going to edit them? Just what are you doing? Hi! Welcome to CousinDIY. Why can't I do that? Why can't I do that? It comes and goes. It's I'll get used to it and then all of a sudden I'm like, whatever, dude. It's a banger. What's up, wildcats? Let's take some photos. The three main fudge. I can't find your wipes anywhere. So I can remove. It's stuck. Oh my god, it's stuck. The baseline needs to go to the hospital because it is sick. Screen. Camera. Oh my god. It's gonna get better, I promise. You sure you can't just slow-mo it? And that's my recipe for applesauce. We'll go over that in another video. Groovy. Okay. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. See. Yes. Thank you. You can always use window light. Try it. Nailed it. Okay. Especially if I pretty much know what I'm gonna say, I just. Are we? Title slide. Can you send toilet paper too, please? You're watching too much YouTube. Woolite, Pledge, and Clorox heavy-duty wipes. We're done here. You're about to go home. Great.